and watching the Bhojpuri Dabangs in action. He's pretty pleased with what he's seen.
Entertainment, but then there is nothing dirty about this. Hits to the fence. That's what is keeping people entertained.
As clean as it gets. More runs here for the Bhojpuri Dabangs. Lashkaria isn't really getting support at the other end. His first over was pretty economical, just 5 runs given away off that. And then at the other end, Ritesh was taken to the cleaners, 15. But who's a strong contender for the CCL Cup in Season 3? Is it the Veer Marathis? 45% people voting for that. Bhojpuri Dabangs have got 55% of the vote, and why not? They've won both the matches they've played so far. You can log on your vote as well by logging into facebook.com/CCL. And
To be fair on Ritesh, he did produce a couple of chances. They were grassed. Both catches were dropped and went for 4. So just rubbed salt in his wounds. Lashkaria is operating well. He knows what he's doing. He's pitching the ball fuller to the batsman.
well, that could be close. What does the umpire say? He says not out. Maybe a bit of inside edge is what he's trying to imply with the shake of the hand. And the keeper says ask for the referral here. I think that was a good shout. Are they asking for a referral? Doesn't seem to be. And it's surprising, if at all you want a leg before referral, it should be the bowler asking for it, not the keeper, whose line of sight is blinded.
But then kudos to the guys, both Makarand and Manoj, because they've taken Manoj's word. They asked him whether you hit it, and he said yes, and that was the end of matter. Did not really refer. It's gone up in the air, and it's gone all the way. A 6, half a dozen to Manoj Tiwari, half a dozen to the Bhojpuri Dabangs, and Ravi Kishan is enjoying it, and so is their supporters.
Can't really say the same for Ginelia and the Veer Marathi camp, but that's great hand-eye coordination. Take a look at this. Slam bang in the zone. He's gonna have a go at it. There's a sweeper cover back in the fence, but he's still taking his chances, and you're gonna get to see a whole lot of those moves if strokes keep coming like this. Oh, that's 4 more. He's just pitching it in the area, and he's taking his chances as Manoj Tiwari. 3 gone, 31 without loss.